Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we will discuss about cross-cultural communication. Uh, Actually, see, whenever two communicators communicate to each other, no matter how goodwill they have been nursing in their hearts or minds, but always there is possibility of miscommunication between those communicators, and that misunderstanding or miscommunication, if develops, then it may lead to the communicators towards conflict. Whereas if the conflict already exists between the communicators, then such miscommunication may aggravate, may make more serious. It may increase the level of that conflict between communicators. So, despite of goodwill, despite of fair intentions between the communicators, however, there is always chance of miscommunication, or we may say misunderstanding. But the question is why there is possibility of miscommunication, or when there is a great possibility of miscommunication between communicators. The simple answer will be that due to uh, cultural differences, due to cross culture between communicators, there is a great possibility of miscommunication. And the communicators, due to cultural differences, fail to understand each other. And there are many elements related to culture which become a roadblock between the communicators as they become unable to understand each other, or they misunderstand each other. Those elements related to culture may be language. For example, if the mother language of those communicators is different, then there is a possibility of miscommunication due to different mother languages. They may not be absolutely understand each other, and values or gestures or different emotional expressions of the communicators or norms or rituals. So these are the elements, because every culture has different rituals, every culture has different societal rules, they may have a different expectations from the people, or the communicators may have a different backgrounds and life experiences. If their life experiences are even different, then there is also a possibility of miscommunication or misunderstanding between the communicators that may cause conflict, or if the conflict already exists, then it may aggravate, it may make more significant, it may increase the volume of the conflict. So always the communicators have to be very careful when they are doing communication with someone who has a different culture who has a different language, because even the communicators may have a same mother language, but due to slang, due to local language, due to regional slangs, regional words, there is also possibility of miscommunication, because the word which have a meaning, one meaning in the one region may have a different meaning in the another region as well, or the one expression may have a one meaning in one region, the same expression may have a different meaning in other region. So therefore, despite of using same language, despite of using same words, the meaning may have a different to those words. One of the example, you may say that, as I read in one book, that in some cultures, they, when they see to each other, when they meet to each other, then their salutation, their salam is in English, may you get hungry, आपको भूख लगे. So this is a sort of salutation or greetings in some culture. However, if such a greeting we may be using in our culture, so it may be taken negatively, because in our culture we greet to each other Assalamu alaikum in Sindhi or Urdu, which means you always be in peace. However, as I mentioned before, that in culture, one culture, the greeting was with such words, may you feel hungry or may you get hungry. But such a greeting in that culture was taken positively. However, if this greeting is used in other region or in other culture, so it may be taken. There is possibility that it may be taken negatively. So you may take it one of the example of how difficult it is to do a cross-cultural communication. So again, the cross-cultural communication briefly is when two persons communicate, but their background, their life background, their life experiences, their language, or their rituals and values may be different. Therefore, due to such differences, there is a possibility of miscommunication between those communicators, and that miscommunication may lead to conflict between those communicators, or it may lead to misunderstanding. Instead of creating commonness, so they may be creating distances, they may be increasing distances between each other due to different cultures. So this is the long and short of cultural or cross-cultural communication. Thank you very much.